Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BlackRock 401k detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for BlackRock's 401k login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the home page, look for the option labeled Login or Account Access. Click on this option to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields that require your login credentials. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Before proceeding, double-check that both your username and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your password. After confirming your username and password, click on the Login button. You will then be directed to your 401k account dashboard. In case you encounter issues, look for any error messages that may guide you on resolving the trouble. If needed, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Once logged in successfully, you can navigate through your account options. Feel free to explore your investment choices, account balance, and any available resources on the site. Make sure to log out after completing your session for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.